We'll guide you through how to add a drop shadow to an image in Photoshop. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go to the layers section in Photoshop. For me, that's in the bottom right. And then what you need to do is go and select the layer which you want to go and add the drop shadow to, which is this one here for me, and go and right click on it. And then what you need to do is go and click on blending options. In the newer version of Photoshop, it can be a bit further down this list here. Go and click on blending options. Then go to the bottom of layer styles and go and click on drop shadow. And make sure you go and press on the tick like this, and you've now enabled it, as you can see. And then you can go and choose the blend mode. Personally, I'll set that to normal. You can then choose the opacity. As you can see, you've got 100% or 0, and you can then choose the angle of it. The angle will be used when you go and change the distance of it, just like so. And then you can go and choose the spread and also the size of it as well. Then you can come down to quality and you can choose the contour and the noise as well. So I like to have that on 0%, and that's it. Then once you're happy with it, you can go and press OK, and you've now gone and added a drop shadow and gone and customized it.